Okay, well, this is, you tell me. So this is my patient who's getting a Botox treatment. She really loved her Botox treatment last time. And for the first time, I'm using this vibration tool called a Nuevibe. And it's just meant to distract any signs of, decreases pain about, I would say, 30%.
Wow.
Do you think it's doing its job?
Yeah, I feel, why, you're giving me injections?
Yeah.
Oh.
Amazing, right? I like to go slow.
So it kind of takes the place of that numbing cream?
Yeah.
Which is great because the numbing cream took so much time to...
And I really didn't think that worked very well. Kind of maybe just on the surface, but oftentimes you could just feel some of the liquid